Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to send Ethereum to your Trezor hardware wallet. Keeping your crypto safe in self-custody is crucial, and Trezor provides excellent security. We will go through the entire process, from setting up your Trezor suite to verifying your transaction. This guide will help you confidently manage your Ethereum, ensuring your digital assets are protected with a robust hardware wallet. Before sending Ethereum, make sure your Trezor device is connected to your computer and fully set up. You will need the Trezor Suite application, which is available for desktop or as a web version. Open Trezor Suite and ensure you have an Ethereum account enabled. Remember, all ERC20 tokens, which are built on the Ethereum blockchain, will also use the same Ethereum receiving address. To get your Ethereum receiving address, open your Ethereum account in Trezor Suite and click on the Receive tab. Then, select Show Full Address. This is a critical security step. Always compare the address displayed on your computer screen with the one shown on your physical Trezor device. They must match exactly. Once verified, copy this address and paste it into the sending platform, like an exchange or another wallet. After copying your Trezor Ethereum address, paste it into the destination field on your exchange or wallet. Crucially, select the Ethereum network for your transfer. Choosing the wrong network can lead to lost funds. For significant amounts, it is wise to send a small test transaction first, perhaps $10 or $20 worth, to confirm everything works correctly. Once sent, your Ethereum should appear in Trezor Suite within a few minutes, usually between 3 to 5 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.